Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Code Station again. Today in this video, we will explore the concept of the for loop in the C programming language. But before that, we will have a quick recap of what we have done in our last video. So in our last video, we have seen what is branching, the switch statements, what is the syntax of switch statement, its example, and the application. So it's my request to you all to please watch our last video before moving forward. So first let's see what we are going to learn in this video. So first we will see what is a loop, then we will see a type of loop which is the for loop, its syntax, example, and the applications of the for loop. Before we dive into the details, let's understand what is a loop and why it is essential in programming. Loops always allows us to repeat a certain block of code multiple times, making our programs more efficient and concise. It's a control flow statement. So now let's focus on the for loop, which is a versatile loop structure in C. Like any other looping structures, a for loop executes till the condition satisfies. A for loop has three parts: the initialization, condition, and the update part. Now let's see the simple syntax of our for loop. So this is our for loop syntax. In this, first we have the for keyword written, followed by a condition. In this, we have written first the initialization part with a semicolon with it. After that, the condition, again followed by a semicolon, and an update method. This will update the initialized variable. After that, we have a code block where we write a code which is to be repeated for a specific number of times. Now let's see a very small example on our for loop. So this is our program. In this, we have first included the header file, which is the stdio.h, which stands for standard input and output, followed by our main method in which we are writing our code. So this is our for loop, and this is our for keyword, which is essential for the for loop. And here in this parentheses, we are writing the three parts, which is the initialization, the condition, and the update part. So first, we have to initialize a variable for the for loop. So here we have taken an integer I which stores the value 1. After that, then in the condition part, we will tell the for loop to execute the code block for the 10 number of times. Then we have the update part. Here we have written the increment operator with our I variable, which will increment the value of I variable until the condition reaches 10. So this is our code block where we are printing the value of I for 10 times. Now let's execute this code and check what is the output. So here's our code is executed. So this is our output, and we can see that we are getting the 1 to 10 numbers displayed on the screen. If I change this to 11 in the condition, now it will print the number 1 to 11. So see, here you can check it is printing 1 to 11 numbers on the screen. You can also do this. You can even change the updation part of the code. Here, when I change the updation part, you can see how our code is executing. I am incrementing the I variable 2 times in each iteration. So first it will print the number 1 followed by number 3 because we are incrementing the value of I 2 times. I plus 2. So when our I was 1, we are incrementing, that is we are adding value 2 to it. So it becomes 3. After that again 2, and then we are getting this value till 11. Similarly, you can even decrement the updation part so that you will get a minus result. So it is now going to the infinite loop. So this is how you can change the code, modify your for loop. Now let's see what are the applications of our for loop. So we can use our for loop for database operations. In database programming, a for loop becomes invaluable when dealing with sets of records. Let's consider a scenario where we want to update the prices of a list of products. And moving on to the simulation and modeling, another fascinating applications of for loops. In the world of simulation, we often need to iterate through the time steps or scenarios. Imagine simulating the population growth of a species. Whether it's managing database records or simulating complex systems, for loops provide a structured and efficient way to handle repetitive tasks in programming. Now, before ending, let's quickly revisit the basic concept of a for loop and its structure. As a quick recap, a for loop consists of three parts: initialization, condition, and update. These parts work together to control the repetition of a code block. Thank you for joining me in exploring these practical applications of for loops. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to comment with any questions or specific topics you would like to see in the future episodes. Until next time, happy coding! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.